Okay guys, so good morning. So welcome to my channel. So today is my first ever video tutorial. So I will teach you guys on how to earn without employment. Yes, it's amazing. You know, with this crisis, it's very important that we survive. Alright, so today I will teach you on how to endorse other services online. Of course, it's totally free to sign up to this, and you will earn a commission. Okay, so this is commission based as much as 25% of the total proceed of the sales, and that's forever, guys. So all you need to do is to go to this link, right? So click become an affiliate. Okay, so by the way guys, Outsource School is a brand new website I just found, and they are offering courses to clients who wants to hire or wants to learn how to hire a virtual assistant. Okay, so once you click this become an affiliate, you will be on this screen. So all you need to do is to fill up your information, your email address, your name, and then your password for Paykickstart. Paykickstart is the tool that we use in promoting the links for the Outsource School. So you will earn. So we need to create a Paykickstart account. Okay, again, it's free. So once you click create, you go first to your affiliate my profile. Okay, and then you add a payment method here. Okay, so for me in my case I add Pioneer. You can also add your PayPal, and then you just need to fill in your personal information here. You can upload your profile picture as well, and then you click update. Alright, once you are done with the update, you go here. Right, so this is the marketplace where you can request links, or you can connect to the vendors. So these are the vendors. Alright, one moment. Okay, so once you once you are on this page, alright, all you need to do is to click this one. There is a star here. Okay, this one. Alright, so all you need to do is to click this one, and then it will open up a window, and then you just click send affiliate request start to vendor. Alright, so in terms of Outsource School, all you need to do is to go to the last, I think this one, number 10. So all you need to do is to go to Outsource School, this one here. In my case, I already have the link because Outsource School already approved me as an affiliate. So all you need to do is click this one. Okay, if you click this one, as you can see, they have a lot of products that you can promote. They have a tracking VA code, and then the podcast as well. Right, so there is a fee as well. So this one is in peso. Alright, so once you sign up, once a client sign up using your link, then you will earn 25% of this total price. Alright, so now once you have requested, it will be approved definitely, and then you can grab the link, this link right here. Okay, they have a lot, as you can see, so you can just grab this link and then post it in your social media accounts, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. So in my case, I already posted a few minutes ago this one. So you can add a good caption, like for example, if you want your business to thrive, learn how to hire a virtual assistant, click this link below and start the course today. So basically, when a client clicks this link, it will go to the sign up page where Nathan will introduce Outsource School. So there's a video. Okay, so once you click this get course, definitely you will be credited. Alright,
have you ever wanted to hire a virtual assistant, but you just don't know how? Have you tried hiring a virtual assistant, but you can't come up with a good system and process? Do you dream of having a remote team that handles all the day-to-day?
Okay, so that's it, guys. So that sums up our tutorial today. By the way, just an add-on, you can also track your your posting. I mean, those people that click your link, your referral link, you can also check the traffic here. All right, so unique visits, total visits, so you will be able to see when people click your links here. There are dates as well. All right, so you can also track your earnings here. Once they sign up, you will see it here, your commissions. All right, now bonus. So I am with Filipinohomes, guys. Again, this video is sponsored by Filipinohomes. So this is my account. Since I started, this is my total sales, and this is my ad sales. What I mean about that is that I am doing Facebook ads. So this is my sales so far. So this is how much I spent so far. Alright, it's kind of big, yes, but take a look of the return of ad spend, guys. ROAS. So this is something that you might want to sign up as well for free. You can join Filipinohomes for free. Again, real estate, guys, is an amazing opportunity for you to help others. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, June H. Hanova, and click the bell button so that you can you will be updated for the next video. Okay, thank you for watching and have a great day.